2021. Well, today we're going to do an unboxing from a recommendation from a good friend. As he knows, I might have the beard, and I have a little scruff. If you want to take a look on top of the head, for you guys who shave your head, this friend of mine recommended a shaver off of Amazon, and I purchased it. And from the results that he's getting, it looks really, really good. So today we're going to do the unboxing of OriHea. Sorry if I pronounced the name wrong, but it is made in China, and it is an OriHea electric shaver faux. If you look right here, that's what it says, faux. I don't make this stuff up. I'm just a tester. Alright, so today's unboxing, it says on the side, it's a 5-in-1 travel lock, user timer reminder, and a 2-hour fast charging. So before we shave the head, I'm gonna have to charge it, and we'll see you 2 hours later. So let's do the unboxing. So as you can see, it's in a pretty good sized box. It also came in another box about yo big that had the tape on it, Amazon. You open this up and here it is. And it also had bubble wrap, the big bubble wrap. Not as fun as the old bubble wrap where you sit there for hours and hours and pop, 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 pop. But anyhow, it comes in a box like this, and then you need a little shape, and it comes with another box like this. So I'm going to take this box, throw that over here. We got these 2 little boxes. So obviously this is going to be like one of these things where you go and spend countless thousands of dollars at IKEA, and then you got to get home and trek it in a box and put it together yourself. So, you know, who's the winner there? But anyhow, we have a card to go on, I guess, to register your product. And we have directions. But since we're guys, we don't read directions. But since this is new to me, I am going to read the directions. So I'm going to put this to the side. So let's put one box to the side and see what's in this other one. Open it up. Looks like the razor part. Another empty box to the side. And this looks like, you know, it's almost like a mouse, computer mouse. I mean, it is heavy. It's like a green, black. I mean, it looks really cool colors. And on the top, it says OriHea, model number, charge time, the CE, you know, the cert to sell anywhere. It is pretty good size. It is a little bit heavier than a mouse, but, you know, I wouldn't drop it. You never know, but and it also comes with this. And then in the other box, let's open that up. Looks like there's a lot of attachments. So you're going to get, let's see, the brush to clean, charge cord, USB port, because everything's headed that way. I don't know what that is, but I'll figure it out. This looks like the covering case, protective case for the blades. I guess you can cut hair too. Look at, you know, to trim it up. Maybe we'll put that to the test. A little brush, and of course, this looks like an attachment. So let me put this stuff together, and I'll get back to you. Let me read the directions, see what all this stuff does, and we're going to shave my head. I'll let you know how it comes out. You know, I usually go about 2 weeks. Then I'll take the old-fashioned blah, blah, blah. But I really don't get that closeness. But when I saw my friend's head, it did get really, really close. And so at this point, let's take a break. Let's charge it up, and I'll see you in a little bit. Hi, welcome back. Well, it turned out that I didn't really need the 2 hours to charge it because it gave me 72 minutes. How do I know? It will tell you right in the display schedule. See, as you can hear, that's how much it has, 72 minutes. Time of use, 18 seconds. So I'm just going to go, I figured out what everything does. This is a cleaner brush. This is a hair trimmer. No, wait a minute. It's a beard trimmer. Sorry, you can trim your beard, which, you know, I can try, but I shave. This is a brush. It's a shaving brush. You put shaving cream on it and well, I'm not about to have that. This is your hair trimmer. So if you have long hair and you want to trim it up in the back, you can trim it up. This, I don't think I will ever use, because it says it's a nose trimmer and an ear trimmer. So if you got gigantic hair coming out of your nose, bro, you need to pluck that stuff, not, you know, use this. Otherwise it'll be like a weed whacker. So anyway, yeah, well, we won't be sampling that, but I'm just going to tell you, I'll give it 2 thumbs up. So, but otherwise, I'm just using this for my hair. All right, so this is the part you've been waiting for. Let's shave my head. So I'm going to do the front, and my daughter's going to try to get the back, because I won't be able to see the back. So, so we're going to start her up like a lawnmower. And as of right now, I can't feel anything on my hand. Here, here, here. It won't really shave on my arm, and you don't feel nothing. I mean, I feel a couple pricks. So it is so safe that, you know, if a child picks it up, you know, they should be fine. They're not going to cut themselves. So let's go with the head. So I'm just going to start circular motion. I don't see anything fall. There's a little bit falling down. My one friend did say that you will hear it when it's all clogged, and you're probably going to have to clean it. So, what do you think?
You missed a spot.
Well, no, I know I missed a spot, but I mean, can you see the difference?
You can. Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's come around here to the back. Yeah, I'm going to let my daughter do it.
Circular motion?
I mean, it is. I let it grow. You can go up and down too.
It is shaving.
It is shaving?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Oh, come on.
I'm going to have to watch the video when it comes out. All right, pull it away. So, can you see the difference?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to continue shaving my head, and I'll show you what the final product will look like. Well, welcome back. As you can see, the final result of my head, but there's one thing I need to leave out, how to clean the shaver. So I'm just going to put it in the bag. So if you the directions say you hold this, so what they do is they flap out like this. I have one open already. They are a little hard at first, but you open it up and see all the hair, and that's where that brush comes in. That'll all fall out. Alright, so that was important, so I'm going to clean that. But for my final thoughts, I'm going to get a couple people's final thoughts here. For me, when I felt it, after I shaved my head, I took a shower. So, I mean, hair did fall some all over the place, but it feels a heck of a lot different. And you can actually, it's like a little rough sandpaper, but it did the job that I wanted to. As for handling, I'm going to let my daughter tell you, because she helped with the razor. What do you think?
So it did work. You just have to work on one spot for a little bit, and if you have like a girl or like any kid, they could help the dad with it, because if they sit and they just press the button, they can just go and do their dad's head without their mom doing it. So and I really like it because so my mom can relax and I can help my dad shave his head. So
especially when it comes to the back. Remember, parents have eyes in the back of the head, but when it comes to it's nice to have somebody else to help. And my wife did also help, and we're going to get her thoughts on it.
So here I am, the wife, telling you how the product worked. It worked better than the regular razors, but you had to pay attention behind the ears and in the crevice. If they have little crevices, you had to work better. Spend more time
on it.
Each side.
So, sum up conclusions. The razor did do what it was supposed to. I like the product. Again, here's the charge cord. It did charge up. Make sure you leave the protective cap on. All these other gizmos and gadgets, I don't think I'll ever use, especially the nose hair trimmer. Again, you got nose hair, you got some serious problems. You need a weed whacker. So the beard trimmer and the facial cleaner. But I bought it to shave the head, and I'm very impressed. So until I can come up with some kind of gimmick at the end, I do approve of this, and I give it I'll give it 1 out of 4 drones. I'll give it 4 being the best, 1 being the worst. You know what? 4 drones. So that's my thing. Again, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. I do this part-time, so just to give you some products that I purchase or have been recommended to purchase for review. I keep my channel family friendly. I do not put comments on. So if there's something you want to say or you need information, I do leave an email at the end of the video. So please email me at heavenskiesdroneimages@aol.com. And just so you know, I use no script. Everything you see is going to be real reactions and the thoughts of my mind. I just figure it's better to do this without a script because you're going to get the real emotions on the product, not just somebody testing it out and then doing a video and then say, try to sugarcoat it. But no, you're getting the real deal here. Like I said, all this stuff I'm unboxing. Again, thank you for watching, and I appreciate it. And you have a lovely rest of your day, and God bless.